my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to do a laundry room update. Guys, as you can see, my laundry room was a mess and I did couple DIY. My goal is to make the laundry room very functional and beautiful at the same time. And guys, when I remove everything, that's the way it look like. And after I finish with my DIY, I spray paint it because I love decorating. I want to be able to add some home decor on top of it. I have a full video on how I did everything. If you miss it, make sure to check the description box down below. I'm going to leave them down there for you to check it out. And this video is sponsored by Tailored Canvases that sent me this beautiful wall art. OMG, I love this wall art. Guys, don't take my word, just keep on watching to see what I'm talking about. It's breathtaking away. I'm in love with it, guys. I'm truly in love with it. As you can see, when I removed from the box, that's the way it looked like. And I was so excited to open this box. You guys don't have no idea. Supposed to use it in my last laundry room makeover video. Due to the hurricane, I couldn't receive it. Oh my, I tell you guys, it's simple, but it means a lot. Everything have been returned, so when I contact them and I let them know that they returned the package and they were so kind to reship it back to me again, thank you so much, and I really love it. That's the perfect view of the back. You can hang it horizontal, vertical, and on the style you ordered, but mine I can hang it only one way. And guys, I love it so much. As you can see how it is, super nice. I'm in love with it. That's the way the original is, and you have the option to put whatever you want on it. And guys, the website, it's so easy to navigate, so easy. You can choose, they have a variety of style. You can choose if you want for your bedroom, if you want faith base, you can choose that. If you want for holiday, like for Christmas, for fall, you can choose to add extra to personalize it like I did with mine. Okay guys, the link will be in the description box down below. Let's start decorate this laundry room for Christmas, guys, and keep on watching.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me a thumbs up and share it. Okay guys, this is my little entryway. Whenever you come inside the house and you look to your right, laundry room, that's the first thing you're going to see. It deserves to look beautiful to complement the rest of the house. Don't forget to leave me some comment down below to let me know if you like it. Even you don't, just let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm very happy guys you make it this far to the video, and I will take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY weekly vlog, product review, and clean with me. Guys, if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, what's stopping you from subscribing, huh? Please don't forget to do so today. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. Without your support, guys, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for that. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, don't forget to check the link down below. I'm going to leave the link of everything that I use in this video as much as possible. Everything I can find. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci guys pour votre support. Et n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français, ça me fait un grand plaisir. Je vous aime beaucoup.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time.
Guys, I didn't want to change the light because it's gonna overpower my wall art, and I'm gonna leave it this way. I have a beautiful chandelier, but I changed my mind. I'm not adding nothing right now since I'm going to be moving very soon anyway, so there's no need for me to do all of that. Okay guys, that's the way it is. Let me know down below if something that you would recreate, if you like it, just let me know down below. I would love to hear from you guys.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about it.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur Chanel Moyen. Si c'est la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si vous pas la première fois, tout le monde dit merci un peu pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi j'aime nous un peu.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.